Welcome to the village with the long name. What does it mean though? Let's find out. So, we've all heard of the village with a long name, but what does it all mean? It means St Mary's Church by the White Hazel Pool near the fierce whirlpool, with the Church of St Cilio by the Red Cave. Now, you think that's a lot to remember. I just read it off that sign here from this hotel. So it says, Llanfair Pwth Gwyn Gilly Gogorich Windrop Willie and Cilio Go. I think I'll stick to the village with a long name. Now obviously the full name of this village takes a long time to write. There's different ways that people now write this name, but a lot of the times they just focus on Llanfair Pwth Gwyn Gil, and that is the name they use quite often. Or Llanfair PG for people really in a rush. If they're really in a rush, they're not going to come out with a full long name, are they? But let's explore the village and see a bit more about this village. So let's start off by finding St Mary's Church. Apparently it's by the White Hazel Pool near the fierce whirlpool and all that kind of malarkey. So let's just find where it is down this road here. This here is St Mary's Church, the one the village is partly named after. A very small part because it's a very long name. I do like these little remote churches and places of worship in the middle of nowhere. Probably a bit rude to say a bit middle of nowhere, but they've been around for donkey's years. Not donkey's ears, donkey's years. There's so much that this place has seen over the years. If you think how many prime ministers have been in place since this church has been in place, that's quite a lot. I now need to do some research to find out how many it is. So this here is St Mary's Church and the churchyard, but down at the bottom of the graveyard, down this path here, leads us to the Menai Strait. Now I'm hoping this path leads me to where I think we're going. So wait one moment and I'll be there. So at the end of this path leads us to the Menai Straits. Oh, that's impressive over there. Jet ski. But the jet ski isn't why I've brought you down here. It's this fella over here. Let's go and take a closer look. It's worth looking at. What we have here is a statue of Lord Nelson. Now that's a bit strange, you think, in the middle of the Menai Straits here at Anglesey. But let me tell you the story. There was a bloke who lived round here. He was called Lord Clarence Paget, a former Lord of the Admiralty, and he lived round here, and he wanted to build a statue out of concrete of Neptune. But he was talked into creating one of Lord Nelson because someone said to him, well, what has Neptune ever done for Anglesey? Whereas Lord Nelson was an admiral protecting the country on the seas. Now, he built the statue out of concrete because it was supposed to be more durable and cheaper. And here we have the Britannia Bridge in the distance that connects mainland Wales with the island of Anglesey. And here is Lord Nelson watching guard over us all. Thank you. I remember as a kid having loads of things on TV about quicksand and stuff that kind of sinks into all that kind of stuff, and this old seaweed and all that kind of stuff off the water, I'm sinking into it, so I'm going to have to make a move now. Just outside the signal box of the local railway station, you can see behind me Llanfair Pwth Gwyn Gil Gogo E. What's that one say? Choin, Drobil, Clansilio, Go. I couldn't read some of that writing in mirror writing on the screen. So yeah, that's this place here. Let's try again. Clanfair, Puthquin, Gil, Gogga, Choin, Drobil, Clansilio, Go. Interesting. As you walk through the village, there's some very nice housing. I like these black and white ones here. A spooky window here. Woo! This pub's here called Tafarn Tegwin, and an amazingly large dragon on the sides of the building. Very good. Some more cute houses across the road here. And coming up here is the War Memorial. We'll have a look at that. It's for people who died in the Second World War. We will remember them. And for the First World War as well. I also like the side of the building behind as well. Stylish. And here we have the station where the choo-choos come and go. There it is, all in one shot. I could never get this in a vertical shot. Clanfair, Puthquin, Gilgolly, Cherward, Droblil, Clantacilia, Go. Don't help, there's 4 L's in. Over there you've got the sign. A very long sign. And over this side you've got it too. Helpfully across the platform is the pronunciation as well as the long 56 letter place name. Llanfair, Pwllgwyn, Gilgol, Ger, U, Quirndrob, Ul, Llandasilio, Go. How's that? I'll make you famous. I'm doing a selfie. Trains that run from here are part of Transport for Wales, and it's the Wales and Borders line. Right, I've got it. It's Llanfair, Pwllgwyn, Gilgol, Ger, Queen, Drobol, Llandus, Ilio, Go. Woo! I think it'll still catch on as Llanfair, Puthquin, Gil, or Llanfair, PG, or the village with a long name. So at the train station there's this shop, James Pringle Weavers of Anglesey. Now you think they must have a roaring trade with all the souvenirs and the memorabilia here for the little village, the village with the long name. But also they've done a lot of work for the station and for the area, because it was them who refurbished the station house over there. And it's them who have this generous car park here outside the train station for people who want to come and buy stuff from their shop, want to go to the station, and also if you're a Toyota driver to want to block the sign in front of people. Cheers, mate. In the entrance is this signpost that says how far it is to each location here. Let's have a look at some of these locations. Got Reykjavik, Los Angeles, Dallas, New York, Miami, Barbados, Brasilia, Rio de Janeiro, Lisbon, Madrid. Where else? Johannesburg, Athens, Vatican, Bern, Zurich, Luxembourg, Sofia. Oh, missed one out. There's this one. Brussels, where you get your sprouts from. Sofia, Belgrade, Bucharest, Budapest, Amsterdam, Melbourne. Where else? Singapore. Where else? Copenhagen, Sydney, Helsinki, Oslo. There's one more, or two more. Let's have a look. Inverness and the North Pole. This is where I'm at now. I'm at the football club. I'm now at Maes Elian, Eileen's Field, the home of Club Peladroid Llanfairpwll FC. And here you can see the full name round the crest of the badge. This is pretty cool. I got Shaun the Sheep on the toilets. I like the fact that the changing rooms are sponsored by Lockstock Elf Storage. It's where Santa keeps his elves throughout the year. If when you come and watch this side play and you get a bit bored with the football on offer, you can always start up a chant. Give us an L, give us an L, give us an A, give us an N, give us an F, give us an A, and so on and so on. It'll take half the game. There's 52 letters. It'll take half the game. There's 56 letters. Come on! Give us an L. The sign in the stand says the power of our football also lives here. That's because La Liga, the Spanish league, sponsor this club. Give us an L. Give us an L. Give us an A. Right, thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed coming to see this place here, the place with a long name. Don't forget to click subscribe, and yeah, that's about it really. Come again soon. Bye bye for now.